The West Springfield Director of Public Health tells Western Mass News tonight there are only 100 COVID cases in the Bay State that could be linked to the Big E.
Officials say that's good news considering more than 1 million people attended the 17-day fair. Western Mass News reporter Leon Purvis joins us live outside the Eastern States Exposition Fairgrounds with more. Leon?
Yeah, Chris, Jordan, these 100 cases do not exactly mean that they came from the Big E, as the way they were tracked was through the Contact Tracing Collaborative of Massachusetts.
They're telling me there's about 100 cases so far that have linked to the Big E by at least saying they went there.
Jean Galloway is the Director of Public Health for West Springfield. She tells Western Mass News 100 people who live throughout the Bay State that got COVID said they went to the Big E. In getting answers for you, we asked Galloway if the 100 people are from a certain part of the state. She says they're not.
So 1.5 million people according to the Big E's data, and 100, as you know, is a fraction of that number.
Western Mass News digging deeper and doing the math for you. 100 divided by 1.5 million is 0.00006667. As of now, that's the percentage of how many people who attended the Big E got COVID. But Galloway tells us her data only shows Bay State residents.
And this is only people in the Commonwealth, so I haven't heard anything from outside of Massachusetts yet. Would I ever? I don't know. Depends on what people say.
Galloway also tells us COVID cases in West Springfield did not spike from the Big E either. They're actually on a decline.
The data that the state put out last week said it was 88 cases in 2 weeks. And we're probably on for that again in the next week.
The indoor mask mandate in West Springfield is still in place. The Board of Health will discuss that at their meeting tomorrow night. Live in West Springfield, Leon Purvis, Western Mass News.
Leon, thanks for that live report. And if you have a question or something you want us to look into for you, email us at gettinganswers@westernmassnews.com. Just be sure that you include your name and phone number as we work to dig deeper.